Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to our module on starting from factory defaults. When you first receive your Mountbatten out of the box, it's going to be in a factory default mode. If you ever want to return yourself to the factory default mode, you can reset the unit. You should be aware, however, that when you reset back to factory defaults, you will erase everything in memory. To reset the unit to default, you depress 4 keys: the space key, the command key, .5, and enter. You hold all of these keys down simultaneously, and then you power the unit on. Once you've powered the unit on, you wait for the braille head to start moving, and then you release all 4 of those keys while the head is moving. So again, that space, command, .5, and enter. Turn the unit on, wait for the head to move, and then release all of the keys.
G'day, not charging, learn mode, mimic not found.
If you do not hear the unit say that it's in learn mode, the reset has not happened properly, and you should try again. When the unit first comes out of the box, the command key is disabled. The reason for this is oftentimes beginners, when they're brailing, will braille something, go up to read it, and then return their hands back to the braille keyboard. Oftentimes what we found in the past with older Mountbatten units is that they would move and land on the command key by mistake. They would then begin to braille something and accidentally depress the command key. So in order to keep this from happening, all newer Mountbattens come with the command key disabled out of the box. In order to enable the command button, you need to depress 4 buttons simultaneously: the left function, the new line, the space, and the right function. Depress all 4 keys simultaneously.
Command on.
And that will enable the command button. Doing the same thing again,
Command off.
will turn the command key back off again. When you first receive the Mountbatten out of the box, it will be in learn mode by default. This mode is designed to help students first learn the braille keyboard and learn the basics of the alphabet. By default, the speech will be recorded speech. So as you braille each letter,
A, B.
you'll hear a recorded voice repeat each letter that's brailled. As you get into more advanced braille and start using contractions, recorded speech can't recognize all of the contractions, and you would need to go into an advanced mode which uses synthetic speech in order to have it read all of those commands to you. The mimic visual display is used to display information from the Mountbatten. It will show what the user is brailing on a 4-line LCD display. It also stores that information so that it can be used to review what's been brailled in the past. To connect it, you use one of the 2 9-pin serial cables that comes with the Mountbatten. One connects to the back of the unit itself, and the other connects to the connector on the right-hand side of the Mountbatten. There is another 9-pin connector at the back of the Mountbatten, however, that will not work for the mimic visual display. With the mimic connected, when you first turn the Mountbatten on,
G'day, not charging, learn mode.
you will not hear it say mimic not found. It will automatically detect the presence of the mimic. When you have the Mountbatten in advanced mode, older Mountbattens may not detect the mimic automatically, and you may have to issue a command to turn it on. That command is mimic, M-I-M-I-C. And that concludes our module on starting from factory defaults.